Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide all of your Facebook photos on your timeline at once. So it is a very quick and simple method. So all you have to do is open your Facebook app. Now tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. After that, scroll down and then go to settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now scroll down and there under audience and visibility, tap the third last option, which is profile and tagging. And now under the tagging option, you can see who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. Tap on it, and as of now it is currently friends, but there are also options such as everyone, friends of friends, friends, and friends except. So we'll tap on see more and then tap on only me. Now all of the posts in which you are tagged in and are on your timeline will automatically be hidden and will be only shown to you, and now other people can't see. So that is how you hide all of your photos from your timeline on your Facebook. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on future videos such as these.